Welcome to another lovely episode from JFX. On today's episode, we're talking about smart money concepts. This is something I believe everybody is very familiar with, and a method I believe that is very, very easy to understand. On today's episode, I'm working on GBPUSD. This is GBPUSD, 4 hours time frame. And on today's analysis, I'm going to be giving you guys breakdown to what I think is happening on the price action. What is highlighted here is a supply zone in line with this range from this high to this low. As we can see, there's also a high here and a low. For those of you who know market structure, you understand that this is a bullish market structure. But let's backdate it and see if we're correct. I'm going straight into the analysis. So if you're new and you don't know me, my name is JFX, known as Johnny Jiga. I'm Johnny Jiga. Traders call me JFX. And online I'm known as Analyst JFX. I give breakdown on financial markets. I'm a day trader. I swing trade as well. And I also make financial analysis. So this is a financial analysis breakdown for GBP USD using smart money concept. Smart money concept is a technical analysis method used to make technical price action without indicators. So what I'm using are tools that are made available by TradingView, which anybody can be able to do the same thing I'm doing here. But the skills to be able to break down charts the way I do requires time. For I have been in this game for a very, very long time. This is my seventh year making this particular style of analysis. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like for more content like this. So looking at the price action, as we can see from the previous range, price has tested discount. So we're expecting bullish price actions. So this highlighted supply zone, which also has this test here on this fair value gap. As you can see, there's a fair value gap here. Fair value gap is called FVG. There are short videos on my YouTube platform that teaches you what these things are, these terms. Fair value gap, supply and demand, order block, all of those terms are terms that you can find on short videos. So that's why another reason why you have to subscribe to my YouTube platform. Now, this is going to be considered as an inducement because when we look at this price action, we can say that price could do something like this, before going back up. So this is still very, very possible. So at the same time, this is still a valid zone. So looking at this price action now, we can say, okay, where can we look for bullish entries? Now, looking at this price action, we have this pending order block here, which this low can be acting as an inducement. Okay. Let me take this out. And when we say this is an inducement, we also remember that this could be the official swing low for this market structure. So we're going to look for an internal area of interest, but it's going to be a minor area of interest because as we can see, this could be reacting as liquidity for this zone over here, as we can see the fair value gap over here. Remember, fair value gap is areas you find inefficiency price action. So these gaps has to be filled. So the next time price comes back down, you could find something like this, then price goes back down to clear out that particular low. So the inefficiency close price action, IPA, goes back to this IPA candle here, which is this order block. Now, all these terms are terms that I've given breakdowns on my YouTube platform. So if you're new here, I'm going to be sounding very, very foreign and very, very advanced to you. Patronize the YouTube platform. Now, let's look at this analysis. So let's have a zone here where we're likely to see price give a reaction to. So I'm changing this to gray since it's a minor area of interest. Okay. And we would have this as liquidity. Liquidity are areas of interest you find multiple swing points, like multiple highs and multiple lows. We could call this also liquidity. And then this could be our analysis for GBP USD. So this would be a break of structure. Okay. And this could be our swing low. Remember, we're working with a bullish GBPUSD. So if we're wrong, then this will be our area of interest. This could also be marked as liquidity. So I'm going to take this out. So I'm just going to leave it like this because I don't trust that zone. But we have a supply zone here. So I'm going to leave it like this. Okay. So this is my analysis for GBP USD. I'm going to make one quick breakdown for Euro USD as well. And then that will be all for this video. I'm trying to make sure that this year I give you guys short videos so that you can be able to watch it to the end. I believe that the shorter the video, the more it is for me to learn from them. So this is my analysis for GBP USD. Next up, we are going to Euro USD. So the price action for GBP USD and Euro USD are very, very familiar. I had a daily analysis breakdown already, which I'm bullish on Euro USD, but at the same time, as you can see, we are currently within premium. So we could be looking for short-term bearish entries, just like what we are doing on GBP USD. But as you can see, price is currently testing an IPA candle from the price action here. You can see price testing an IPA candle over here. But we don't expect this to last too long. So this is also acting as liquidity. So we have liquidity over here as well. And then we have a daily area of interest over here. We can refine this to this. So we could see, I don't really have any directional bias for GBP, for Euro USD, as you can see. Price could be doing something like this, then going back up. Okay. So there's no real breakdown other than what I already have for GBP USD. So let's just say this is what we have for Euro USD and what we have for GBP USD. And this is all I have. This is all I have is this smart money concept. And as you all know, I teach multiple methods. So there's videos on Wyckoff, there's videos on Elliott Wave, there's videos on smart money concepts. You just go for the one that you came here for, learn what you want to learn what you need, and move on. I am an analyst and I post multiple videos on multiple methods. This is a skill that I have developed over the years of practicing this particular style of trading. What I do online is share analysis. So this is just an analysis breakdown, and I'm not giving you any signal to go and do anything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.